what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Shivers by Sheeran from the album Equal. Alright, I'm gonna go very detailed on the beginner way to play it because yeah, I've been getting comments that I'm going too fast. So yeah, just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning. Open strings should sound like that, and put your cap on fret number 2. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the chords that we're playing, and we'll get into the not the finger style, but finger picking, the advanced way to play it, right after we do the chords. So the song is structured off of 4 main chords, which are A minor, right? That's open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, all right? And then we go to F, which I'm playing as F minor, which is 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. And then there's C, which is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And then G, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. And instead of this, you can play E minor, which is open, 2, 2, open, 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 right? So, going to the intro of the song, right? Your strumming pattern is going to be the same throughout the whole song because the verse and the chorus have the same chords, right? So, here we go. Right? That's down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Right? Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright, so down, up, down, up, down, up. 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 Right, so A minor. And then we go to F. And then we go to C. And then we have E minor. Or G if you like. So, ooh, I love you when you came like that. That's A minor to F, and then C, and then we go to G. Right, moving on into the intermediate player. A minor, you pluck 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. F, it's 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then C, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 again, and then 6, 3, 2, 1 for G. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for A minor, and then 6, 4, 3, 2 for F, 5, 4, 3, 2 for C, and then G, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the advanced player is gonna be playing pretty much the same thing, but we're picking strings individually to get that. Right, so that's on your 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then we go to 1st fret of 2nd string, and then we slide to 3rd fret, and then open 1st string. Okay? So that's 3, 2, 2, 1 in strings, and in frets that's 2, 1, 3, open. So bunch that with A minor, and then you bunch it with F, and then C, and then for G, that's open, 1, 3 on 2nd string. So open 3rd, 1, 3 on 2nd. Right, and then G. So A minor, F, C, G. Alright, that is basically it for this tutorial, guys. Is there anything I left out? No, there's that part where they go. So to get that part, you basically strum with your index, and it's still the same strumming pattern. I'm just muting the top strings with my palm and strumming the same way I was strumming the whole song. That's been it, guys. If you want to see a fingerstyle cover, subscribe to my covers channel. I'm probably gonna upload that right away. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.